Hey everyone, it is Jenny Wren, and I am live right now both on Facebook and here on Instagram. And I went ahead recently and I took advantage of some credit that I had on Amazon and the sale that happened on Cyber Monday for the Q2U. So I wanted to kind of just show a couple things about it, and then I'm going to go ahead and give an actual review later. But yeah, this is the Q2U, and it's one of the highest rated, and it is the most affordable, highest rated USB mic that is on the market right now. So I wanted to make sure that I had something that I loved for when I travel, because I do quite a bit of it. I like doing these lives. So what better opportunity for me than to find a mic for $45 that I can do all of this with? So the first thing that I noticed when I unboxed it is that it does not have a case, which I was really surprised with, considering the fact that Samson has a really large part of the market and a lot of podcasters are traveling with this particular mic. So this mic right here, it actually has a very, very nice heavy feel to it. A lot of USB mics do not have that, and I think a lot of that really reason is because of the fact that it does have an XLR out, which is awesome. It does come with a cable, which is cool. I'm not needing to use that cable, but I can see people who are newer needing a cable, so that's a nice benefit to it. Cables don't cost very much. It also has a foam part and this lovely little stand. I don't see myself using this stand to podcast with, just because that's a really far away place to have a microphone, because I'd want to actually have it here. So probably if I'm doing live or if I'm being interviewed with some people while I'm traveling, I'd actually have it close up. So those would be the things that I noticed. Yeah, good girth. Looking forward to actually seeing how that particular mic sounds. I do wish that it actually had a case. Luckily, I have some other ones. That'd be something that I would recommend to Samson to include for these particular mics. But other than that, I'm pretty excited to play around with this new tool, especially as I'll be down in Arizona starting on the 19th. And then I will be at NAMM with RME starting in January, but I won't be bringing my full setup, so I won't be bringing my BP40 and I won't be bringing my Babyface, but I will be interviewing at the NAMM station with their tools for that. So we'll have more information on that very soon. But until now, this is the Samson Q2U, and I will be doing a sound test with this very soon so that you can hear what that's like versus the Yeti, which is the microphone I had before I was doing other things. Not my favorite, but I know a lot of people have a lot of interest in that. So hope you guys are all doing great, and I will catch you a little bit later.